Guys, hello guys. All of you are fine? Yes, of course, all of you are fine. Today's we are discussing about unit number 1, 1.2 prepositions. Last time we discussed the definition of prepositions, common prepositions which are indicating place and time, and some exercise also. Today's lecture we are dealing with some complicated preposition, some simple preposition but which create confusion in your mind along with exercise. Before that we discussed the weightage of examination. Preposition, it is part 1.2 unit. It will be asked in question number 6a for 2 marks. Okay, you discussed the course outcomes also last times. That is a use relevant preposition in constructing sentences, and second, formulate grammatically correct sentence for specified situation. Okay, student community, use appropriate preposition in constructing sentences, and second, they should formulate sentence grammatically correct without any errors in specific situation. Okay, next we discuss the definition of preposition. Means preposition, a word in Marathi it can say that shabdayogi अव्यय, and in Hindi it can say that संबंध सूचक अव्यय. In English, preposition means occupy before the position of noun and pronoun, and to show the relationship like place, time, position, or method with another word, maybe predicate or maybe object in the same sentence. Okay, common prepositions we discussed above, across, along, among, at, away from, behind, below, beside, between, in, on, against, by, from, into, near, off, inside. Time, for examples, for indicating time, after, before, at, by, here, during, from, in, on, since, through, till, until. Okay, we discuss also exercise, also maybe 10 first 10 sentences. Today's lecture we are dealing with remaining 10 sentences. Before that we are discussing about some preposition which are commonly used in English, but it create confusion and it will be asked for competitive exams. For example, can you tell me what is difference between in and into? In, it indicate the place, and into, it also indicate the place, but in, it indicate place along with fixed place, specific place, but into, it is indicate place but uncertain place, non-specific place. There is action, there is movement, there is a changes from one place to another place. This is the difference between in and into. Second, in and at, both are the preposition which are used for place, to showing place. In indicate general place, but at, it indicate specific place. Preposition number 3, between and among. Between, it indicate place, and among, it also indicate position and place. But what is difference between between? Between is used only for two objects, and among are used only for only more than two objects. Have you got it? Between for two objects and among more than two objects. Next, beside and beside, both are the preposition. One is singular and second, that is plural. Means s is added in another besides. Beside means nearby, he is sitting beside me, and beside means instead of, without of, in the absence of. Means I completed travel besides proper ticket. I attended interview besides my original document. Yesterday I gave lecture besides my original textbook. Besides. Have you got it? In and into, between and among, beside, besides. Have you got it? Next, there are some prepositions like for, from, and since. This is also preposition. What it indicate? For, from, and since. It indicate the place as well as time also. For, it is a simple preposition which indicate time. From, it is a compound prepositions, it indicate time. And since, it is a superlative form. Okay, means it indicate exact time. specific time, since 2 years, from when the action started, and for means it just indicate the time, for it just indicate positive time, from it indicate from the action started, and since it indicate the specific time from the action started and the action is going on. These are the simple preposition which are used in English, but it create confusion. In and into, at and in, between, among, beside, besides, okay, as well as between and from for time indication also. Between for two times, and from means when the action is started. For, from, since also. Be careful about the preposition. Then we discuss the exercise remaining 10 sentences. Sentence number 11th. We discussed last time 10th. Kunal is guilty for rudeness. Sentence number 11. Kaveri is afraid of a dog. People cannot abide to the new rule of the new rule. We have to listen for what our parents say. We have to listen to what our parents say. There is no exception for this rule. Of this rule, nahi, for this rule. Tarun has an ambition to higher position. No, of higher position. Our college is situated off Shivaji Road. No, our college is situated at Shivaji Road. 17. I am younger from my brother. No, I am younger than my brother. Sentence number 18. The cashier was not on the counter, at the counter. Prince fell in the well. Prince fell into the well. What did got it? Prince fell into the well. Sentence number 20. Water flows on the bridge. Water flows under the bridge. These are the exercise of this unit number 1.2, preposition. It is very simple one. Preposition occupy before the noun and pronoun and shows relationship with predicate या object. Types, 4 types: simple, compound, phrase and gerundive participle preposition. Simple preposition which is used for showing time, place, manner and method. Some complicated but simple preposition in English which is create some confusions, and we discuss the exercise. Have you got it? Is there any problems? Is there any problem? It shows relationship, place, time, position, method. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Next lecture we are dealing with 1.3, conjunction. This is a part of sentences. First we discuss article 1.2. Second we discuss 1.2, this is a preposition, and now we can discuss 1.3, conjunction. Hope you can understand it. Thank you for your kind cooperation.